Abusia me be share video ase na me tie mu edie na asem aba. The president John Dramani Mahama keka na adwa che nana. In fact, nananom bi bu afu ebinom so se omuhu ne se nsem a president ka no mo gina so de ye ne nsemfu ano. Eto asomo. Omo agina so pam. Abrewatia ahu no screen isu ona ye akwamu abrewatia. Nsemi bubo fi hoba. Akwamu nkonya asem ye nkonya ye ntante ho nsem. Bibi boboba. This plus other details ye beti abrewatia. Ne nsem oba be kan. Se ohini bitimi pie free eyabo no. No ko pie mu isin region. No ko koso entokwasam. Me no ga say abrewatia na nko wo ne dan anase ne fie I to say a palace. You can't say palace because on your queen into you can't say palace. And the main reason I'm saying this is that in a very long history, the people of Akwemu omu ni a queen. The first time omu queen in their history, mahama currently or war a Akwemu. And some Abia who was screen in Shabraway, one a Akwemu abrewatia. So no sing castle, you ever back community. A yen abrewatia position I say hima kunyano, or jiding in emu am yes hima. But we're taking all these decisions to make sure say peace beba akweburi in ejino. Omu ye kanana himeyi and abo. Ama abrewatia nanka the position in history no. Eja was se bibia bia ye wa akwemu no. Se normal bebre firɛs. Abrewatia shall see ye videos be on the internet. Currently, Mesa can be from one of the royal people. Wa akwemu. Ye benya abotre ne atie no. But before that, bi nkotie John Dramani Mahama ne nsam awodi to I had here as in radio. Into the party was your king kind of chair. Now my king came watch or the party was your president. I brought address it a boku issue no. The beba kwa could see F0RÄST and we are there be a president a be the new a catcher nananom. Woman more send nananom be a yomunoma to see your mugun not only the strongest can survive. President the cast out was in nananom woman said you mugun and no was the idea mamma and your money cut. Knowing the strongest can survive. Now, you bet all the details about what the Baba. So, me go to Bahama near Henry Sama, what the Kotuga, I can kind of hi. The best almost of the
the committee was established by my predecessor, Nana Akufo-Addo. And so, in his handing over notes, he mentioned to me that he had invited Otumfuo to mediate in the conflict. And so, as his successor, I was duty-bound to allow that mediation to go on. And I want to thank Otumfuo again for the role that he played mediating the conflict. While the mediation was ongoing, there was violence, killings. It's estimated about 119 people lost their lives.
Just Otumfuo say mediation no asekeken. Within that span over 100 people and it's me just within the process of mediation in
the period of the mediation. But thank God, ultimately his report came out. And the mediation process was meant to work to find a traditional resolution to the conflict. And the thinking was that we could get the parties to the conflict to, in a traditional manner as was done in the past, find a way to accommodate each other. Unfortunately, I think that didn't happen. And once it didn't happen, then the mediator had no option but to revert to what the law says. And so his report basically...
only from the president's mouth now because Otumfuo got na baby in kasa assembly. Also Otumfuo tena assembly so. Dey di kan wo do Otumfuo ase. For so oje two mu so obeto assembly so aka during on time ya Akufo-Addo chair said dey wa bade am Otumfuo no antena ne nsem so. Na mu Otumfuo kan nsem no. Go to a point na ade e betimi ama afane mienu nyina akoma atom yimu no. Na emfa. O draw conclusion na sesen a emfa because na e very difficult for them to draw upon a mediation reporter. They say, and so because of that, Sesatu na fairly Otumfuo there, then deal Otumfuo be. As a man of respect, or minor team constitution here, Otumfuo had to fall on the constitution, the laws of the country.
Stated what the lawful position was. And I swore an oath to uphold the Constitution and the laws of the Republic of Ghana. And so I cannot be sentimental in terms of implementing the law. And everybody knows what the law states, that the truly gazetted chief of Boko Boko Naba is Na Abugrago Azoka. That is what the law says. He is gazetted. And so I cannot have any sentiments in the matter and have somebody who's not gazetted come and say, I am the Boko Naba too. And so I have to do what I have to do to ensure peace in Boko. Which is what we've done. The law is the law.
The law is the law. What here? So every decision be a for the better abontin. Sa secret in say there was a lock somewhere. Can say no emanuko PMO baby no. Now you see, two say beti mi ama omienu nyina di bima na so mienu nyina di for. Now I actually a mediation report. Na elake. It could be say nananom motena nsem no so. Now if be enye na adwen so obe settle and obe concord with the mediation report this are the mediation. There were some things be a president just a code the but when that thing no particularly not happen no say we intimi fire na sa asem na was yetimi kan na kunkumakunkuma e wo boko no tutwa dia then say we fail there then why don't we fall on the laws of the country, the republic? Otum for being the mediator then we said be mamenya ne sa because president the jumedi ashebesa if the traditional process no aye have no intimi nkosen ye da o man no womra. So Otumfo didn't, just sit down and order the traditional customary. He worked with the two, weapons. We are fan and call constitution. So the president can. Now, at the end of the constitution in some working in answer. Say, ye per se, ye can't ahinsem emano to asumwa, then ye share emre bo ahinsem mamma ya money home, ebai. Now, emre bo my, why no henny? Oh, constitution. Ohene ene obi a emra agewatumu udin ewo the National House of Chiefs register ho agewatumu won krate maban ni mu se wo na oyo ohene. So otumfo pese wo hwe mra mu a the first no behwe ewo mra nu hwan na mra ne so oyo ohene. In fact, na say e azogri as a man for so no no for the people of Kusasi no ono no wadi ade a ewo mra mu a se so akwakoye that region no omo regional House of Chiefs ni na president da wo wadi bi da yekwati obi an the position edu say wa hinsem a enye. So they had to respect the constitution and settle there. Abusia won tina say otumfo amfa manhia amra nkwa ne kan na asem wamfa amamra ni amane nemum o say use na president jemu say obi e na o share report no say tools no otumfo use ehu mediation report ni fail dia then or tell o man say mo mra mo amonji mo constitution na mo fan kama. So the results that came out was based on the constitution. In fact, constitution make it clear why na need e the National House of Chiefs, why na need any the National House of Chiefs, why would he no yen timi nkofa massa wo be replace the need what the National House of Chiefs own we otias. As simple as that. What a powerful mediation. But you see, the most interesting aspect of all this situation, Mama, this is same way to Ghana. I don't know why at that part in the video. I'm not sure. I'm sure say Ghana one and what being there. What is the same way to Ghana? There was also a part of this conversation Mahama was having with nananom. Mama fan to screen so. Say they be a yedo no. Nami mumu ne team komo emu dra. President Timike kan adwen nananom because me assure say bokonsem no enya hinsem ho tokwasem no na efa president ti. Now according to the president and some catch nananom bi nie ahasem radio ye kinkan ne ebo mamutie bi. O say the president John Mahama were credited to GBC Ghana Broadcasting Corporation vital source and in saka ade nie de bel. O say President John Dramani Mahama has warned that corruption, lawlessness and violence within the chieftaincy institution pose a serious threat to national peace and development. And no warning nananom. What's this hand to kwasem no? Me mfa mra nya adwuma de me pena meye no. Oto mra tugu no oye ne ope no. O say se jone kese pa ya de a ha o man na so ndue. Nananom bitimi tena se me de mra ntimi nya me hwe no oye de ope. Ai, me kwa kwa kani petre bom no ma kontokwa. You see, I say within the chieftaincy institution, it poses a serious threat to the national peace and development or mining punto nyina say twe question was addressing members of the Upper East Regional House of Chiefs during a courtesy call. The president said disputes over succession, land, and traditional authorities are increasingly being driven by bribery. President said, "What you should say? Santo kwasema kwa swa hinsem ni bebre no chere ketahye de proye na nananom bi didi sika so mutum no mu gisem no. Omo pesa asumye beba no ebinom didi sika. Ketahye de proye koswa. Asemo. And the manipulation of customary rules. Obu ho won mamam na nya man ne pa ho mra. Se kwan sei ne yefa so bia esi wo hene ana kwan sei ne yefa so yesi wa mabre me da to ne ba da bi. Was it be mefa kwete kwan so aye no kwan for my selfish interest. President so hu sa no mari gina. Nyaboche, you people more evidence. I said, resulting in prolonged conflicts in several communities. And when we say Saket has sent proye, and a troye deni panui, and no ne din to kwano, kwan the air coso. Now, Ahana Mahama to bomb or now, here it gets interesting. I said, in the past, Mahama Kansim was anchored. We knew clearly what the rules of succession were. President Mahama said, but today, sometimes because of what ahunyentino, yeni munkatetino, senkobi bedi adi him said, nananom ashe bibia kama. But because of ahunyenti, nananom how were they reacting? I would love to have the video. Now I say, President Mahama said, but today sometimes because of wealth, and let me put it bluntly, chale, wabeka tisaseke anu akokwa, and yes wabetu sebi wabeka tiha. Diana President person can't say all practice and they want to say bribery and corruption. People who are not the legitimate successors are forced onto the skin, and that naturally results in conflict. Because of Ketasishane Proyenti, Yajiha, he did not be Siakonyas. President Bessite, baby, no maybe say a course on whom the air cost in our Bessite. I say he stressed that resulting to violence cannot resolve chieftaincy or ethnic disputes, insisting that lawfully and traditional process remains the only acceptable path to peace. The president said, "Some mama when you na me temi ho ase ne ntokwasem no entimi ma so wie ma hinsemu da." Ethnic wise, ye nyina free ha ye nyina amamre nie. Not the same group of people no kran tokwasa. Thank you, Fanny says, Adriana phone in I about we. Not Adriana any moon to grant or quaw more. Nifria, Minfria. Ninianum so boy, Ifria. I say, some of my wing in and fast with you, ma. Ewa, he said more. What is some? I was seeing in I man to acquire ideas from you about. I said, violence does not solve problem. And talk was some million to once me pentocami the busy. What's the sound of my way, young fat? I'm sure to our heaven we much. Mama de Casasano, President in the Yam check Casasano. I say, son of my way, you know, young fan shasum yet. Talk was some J public, would you not public, the microphone and talk was some or see young fan rasp. We no longer live in honeymoon. We no longer live in a jungle where the strongest is the one who rules. We must go by the law, arbitration, or mediation. President in the kitchen and I'm seeing Tim Gremu. And just that no, I go room quite bretum, Sabi, somewhat. What the Mahama farm one and come, but while we are the economist, I said, once a while. The animal jungle, maybe some person cabin, and anyone you know, what's the one if I say, you room, nananom room. Now, quite said, the who ding na would Timmy Gina and answer what name more. The who ya ding your cumunia win with him, nananom sabi, munyamwa. I say, we must go by the law, arbitration, or mediation. I was here them mora and the yahis. Nananom sinkonya, one common some yodi for yodi bib, Monfanto Amonte. Say, I did also me in a deep bim and me in a defa, mediation where Nananom fano ne yeduma. Nananom will hokra camera and to mufie that. So one more tenasums waka. You be home anymore, no more cantokwa. One more cantokwa. Abushia. Now, the finalization of what Mahama was saying, voice of the president, John Mahama. President Mahama reminded chiefs, K1ng that the 1992 constitution completely removes government from matters of chieftaincy succession, placing responsibility for resolving such disputes on traditional authorities themselves. And Mano 1992 constitution name no president Frank and Mano Quine. Senko Bejon when him Cassanzim because Montok was and Mrana say, we don't have right to come to your matters. Because camera man quite. Indeed, you know, Abroso. Government has no role to play when it comes to succession, he said. But when that succession results in the disturbance of peace and law and order, then government has a duty to intervene. What is how he said no same musi in any other? Ye ni who quite ye. Ben nananom say mo man how mining in us with ya. Ye bet yes him. Ye bet yes him. Say mo the man am we no person teach you man asum ya e wom ne ye wa na he say ye bet yes him o nananom. Dem mo ye dem ahwe ya de constitution na council mo ahwe ye bet yes for the peace of the country. I say referring to conflicts in areas obobo kroni bi a won mahama onim. Say hunu bebre e koso. Boko oboye bogatanga oboye sampa oboye no bo sunwane enso ka ho. As example, the president cautioned against the rejection of judicial or traditional rulings, warning that such action could destabilize the country. What should I say? Say, you tune for mediation or tune for arbitration or a court in a tennis in the Kayo. Say results now reports on the finalization but one thing. Now I would obey who say unjin to muno. Abra Ghana mrade the constitution ni customary nebu. Now yeah the report about say way in the bit just about wow obey our adwin. So they won't ye obey the open was obey was obey she. We a big warning to Sampa was obey she. If the National House of Chiefs has accepted, say way ye or hine K1ng Ghana where we are. Wow wakabian was obey she. And he cited example using the Boku case. Okay, what here? Some Boku issue, no, we the National House of Chiefs already. So it means it's similar to Sampa case. Because Sampa case, no, currently, we dealing with the National House of Chiefs already. And what I said, so this is one, what an acronym. What's from Hey, Muhammad Ejasan. I say, the law is the law. Emra. He emphasized, once a decision is taken, it must be implemented. You can't say I was saying to me. It is not in anybody's power to reject a decision and impose themselves as right virtue. Obiani to me. National House of Chiefs had you be to say here. And I said, Mrani and Mamma Kwans will be a here. Of which, if you know, 2 force case, we are able to be said the customer will need failure. Constitution needs me and so it me answer. And until any other National House of Chiefs of which are supported by the Constitution. Let me say, National House of Chiefs are telling you we are not to another Constitution of Ghana. I said, okay, yes, I know my way near you. What's over to me? Hi, the same Katia, what all a year and when we're at it, you know, the best. When is someone at the President John Domani Mahama and Ukushan and what me edited. That's an interesting factor in the Eastern region. Yanko ti abrewawe, I friend abrewatia, akwamwako na kesiye, ehun a eboboba, asebusua, areho. It's 2 short videos. You can see the first one, a bit when you want the conversation. If you are the second one. Now me abrewatia.
Ghana man. Me akwamu man abrewatia. Akwamu man so bebre no. Nesre nana dormaahene se ontwe no ho mfi ho na se ne ana mepe akwamu yiye na mepe akwamu asomdwe nti mi gya asem no mu no se manso no aye kese kora wo ho a asomdwe enni abusua ya ansa abusua no mokora ene oman ne nyina ti nana dormaahene mesro twon ho kakra efi akwamu ama hensam ho
akwamu nya akonya gitwa in the Eastern region, of course. And mamu any position nanka te say ohema because in the history of the people of Akwamu obi oye part of the royal family ni bia ni mamu. Omu window was in kedi ade maame no onu ni wona ye panyini a wo ho no. In fact, onu kra na say the whole Akwamu ni nyina abrewatia. Mining in abrewatia. And ukopiem other places and kana kunya ne te say bia sabi hima bi Emma mine akonya bi. But in their history no muni hima. Into only position and all covers hard in. It would tear my men or catch or say, or catch ye in I say, there be a heavy fibia. because of peace in tin oja no memu. This time you see him and you did him bad. The first time when him out. But and say me to see ya na dey ntimi ho ase ne ntɔkwase mebre ebeba. And because of that in intino. And some no kodi na najma bedu nsem wa say what say esem no kodi dormaahene nsem. Dormaahene no maybe a wo ye no e cause trouble say ama ensem anka ebusua ne betumi aka te say ono ne pass bi o ye mass bi bae. F0RɛST dormaahene ba mu no. O say peace na yira wa akwamu a. Say ntɔkwasem bi a eba akonwa ho yi sin ready. Anothing. Abrewatia history I remember his stool no na akonwa wote so no for more than 300 400 500 years. Nanaji my bed when you mean dormaahene etimi de just few years be prepare the history of akwamu abrewatia nkonyasa. And this issue ebi a won ti ase but the more duru papa because the same history we every history over 400 years 500 years of a year you can say akwamu abrewatia ayira and was sad my bedu nana take you free konyasa. And you know how I'm mahama no matter how we bad and I want you to you and to us on farmer me form pedim for in yagro on farm man yagro ntibinum kra se mahama de we de pa on farm masem in yagro do mana imagine say abrewa we abegya nanim nsuan. You think say he won't be touched to address nananom at that high note? Me enti abrewatia yeti
court na me kyerɛ ɔkɔ ɛsɛ ɔntena so mayɛ nanso yɛde na maa no afei akwama sɛe koraa manso no afei na agyina mu na ɛno ne yɛsrɛ ɔmanfo sɛ wɔntie yɛn na ɔhema no pɛ sɛ ɔde ne nanaba esi ne srɛ so bio yɛmpɛ manso ɔhema yi de manso saa na meba no wi owi no akɔfa ne bɛyɛ aba abɛsi fie ɛno nso mempɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ manso na mempɛ nso sɛ ɔde ne naba no baba abɛsi ne srɛ so na gya sɛ wɔnde wɔbɛtena so a da bia no ɔno wɔte so nti wɔntwa so makɔma ɔhema no wɔ ne sɛ mempɛ sɛ ɔde ne nana no bɛsi ne srɛ so na ɛbɛyɛ manso bi gye maakɔnwa maakɔ maame no nso so sɛ ɔmfa obi ansi ne srɛ so na akɔnwa na ɛnyɛ wɔn de a abie ni nyina baako kora ni wɔ ɛyɛ wɔn de wote so wo maame te so abɛfa aye a wo nana nso asi so na kyerɛ sɛ mo de mo nko ana mo di ɛyɛ wɔn de te so wo maame te so gye maakɔnwa maakɔ maame no nso so sɛ
so wo gina akɔnwa
ɔmfa obi ansi ne srɛ so na akɔnwa na ɛnyɛ wɔn de a abie ni nyina baako kora ni wɔ ɛyɛ wɔn de
abuja we abrewatia this is a woman our acting and now kunyo this one acting as him per their history no for over 400 500 years for peace na ni bia benti agya mo nso se fata so munya hema into a giant tumi mu am yesi hema die ntia asundwemra na nka de hema yi mpudi ni die wi a na de agya emfa ne se another window no na nka wono ni window no na sefo aba be di hema ni bi we ye akwamu in akwamu ankasa the real akwamu hu komani edi. Yes, what he be a boy wretched. Afi watch them any quan say enko because the na kunyani and the ana wajama on sebi unjimi when ya the amawa munkwa mundi because se sa kon wa emwa because na simni bi sebi ko pie mu menhia nti munnim nam sa de akunyane man baka na sini ni betumi aba ba ya akomu ne because nsem ni ko pie mu court ni ade this akomu hina wodi ade asisi komoni nyina akopie mu se in general sense beti on kakra na acho na nkenye onu na wo se nke bia wodi akomu but se ne be atudie mbra ondi na odi wi a na enkasa window way ni so bia ba be di afio the man hene ne side sanso ana man hema no nso side ho no so na nka wo mu asedi we mu so adi na akoye this window after this window but currently we bia bo awura kira komnya no mienu nyina na ade afiri maame nsemu a ade a wa hweso free tete no eye freeness o te maame no in fact nye from me akwamu abrewatia wasi nkomnya no mienu nyina anya wo mo dia kwamu hema akonyo akomu ho ahwan akonyo na nso asomdie nti na ogitu mu se mumunyi na asomdie but mu bedi ye no bra wa bre ewo nkonya hu nyina no afi kura de sebi kwa mo de no aduane kura mo ma wona na sefo ni bi ni In fact, senko ya be adwuma mpo anko akopɛsh. Total rejection. Ti se bia se wa adwemu enye duru ana wonhu se eya. And I'm sure these are some of the reasons as to why mahama hu say bi no mo chia abakwasem. Amana ha ebi no. And these kind of things enye kama. So who odin chen obi na wotumi obi dim se bia e wo mmeremu ni ade ade. Eno nche se mo artist se bi mu gunwura mu a de no ho odin na be so. E ba sa emwa. I believe that is why the president made that statement. When you're somewhere, you try you cry. When you're K1ng Ghana, when you're ɛ ɛbɔ but mahama was a nananom bi ɛyɔm ho ti sɛ dwom gun wurabu na ɔmo pre ahode in when try akɔmu abrewatia or che dormaahene so dormaahene ade a wo yɛ wo de ntɔkwa ɛba isi meje na so tumfo kɔ other region enye ya na najma be way from my own point of view with me free bono ɛkɔ isi meje ɛkɔ cause trouble ɛma ne yɛ yɛn gyina hɛ di pagina tam yɛ bɛka no kre achi tumi deɛ na adwuma odu no one K1ng Ghana for all your updates. Mate say bi bobowa ɛyare wo sɛm ayɛ say ɛyɛ opanyini bi wɔ ɔman mu ɛnura yɛtimi akɔsane to egu ne yere papa so a situo ne deɛ kɔfoɔ no bro bɛyɛ 5 egu papa ni mu a nsɛm no ano ayɛ nyai the details and saka no yɛbɛtry say yɛbɛbrɛ on our next video we ni are wo sɛm a ɛkɔ so a yɛaboaboa do ayɛ de aba bɛso mo sɛm a mahama de to bia no adwenkyerɛ no send the comment section is for you kuma wo abrewatia ne nsɛm no ɛno nso adwenkyerɛ send the comment section is really open for you all your thoughts you can leave in the comment section but make sure ɛde atem bi adim you know be din kra yɛbɛsɛ sure on this video background
K1 oh boy Juma we dey Jacob so now see commentary on social media no style of blogging fantastic so now see commentary no news in the bar so now see commentary for on we so good keep on going
and the style no so the ma ebema other tribe afolo uni sorted India temni that's how be kind of it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and we name maybe our focus free but it's all good we are the K1 modern K1 will try